Today we're focusing on the directing a project process for your PRINCE2 exam. This is the process that belongs entirely to the project board. The purpose of the directing a project process is to enable the project board to be accountable for the project's success by making key decisions and exercising overall control. It does not manage the day-to-day activities. That's the project manager's job in the controlling a stage process. The board manages by exception. This means they set tolerances for factors like time, cost, and scope, and only intervene if the project is forecast to go beyond those agreed-upon limits. The directing a project process is active throughout the entire project lifecycle, from startup to closure. It consists of 5 key activities which represent the major decision points for the board. A great way to remember these 5 activities is the mental shortcut: go, 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 help, stop. Let's break that down. The first go is authorize initiation. This happens after the starting up a project process. The project manager submits the project brief, and the board gives the green light to proceed to the detailed initiation stage. The second go is authorize the project. Here, the board reviews the full project initiation documentation, or PID, including the business case and project plan. This is the decision that formally commits significant resources to the project. The third go is authorize a stage or an exception plan. At the end of each management stage, the board assesses its performance and approves the plan for the next stage, ensuring the project remains viable. If a stage is forecast to exceed its tolerances, the project manager will submit an exception report, and the board will decide whether to approve the corresponding exception plan, which then becomes the new baseline. The help part is give ad hoc direction. This covers ongoing guidance the board provides between formal meetings, such as responding to risks, issues, or stakeholder concerns. Finally, the stop is authorize project closure. The board receives the end project report from the project manager, confirms that the project's products have been delivered and accepted, and formally closes the project. A very common exam trap is to confuse the activities of the project board in directing a project with the activities of the project manager in controlling a stage. Exam questions will present a scenario and ask which process is being used. If the scenario involves the project board making a major decision, like approving a new stage, authorizing closure, or approving an exception plan, the answer is always directing a project. If it's about the project manager assigning work packages, reviewing progress, or taking corrective action within the agreed tolerances, that's controlling a stage. Remember, the board directs and the manager controls. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.